Welcome back and good evening, everyone. Pretty quiet day here, a little hotter than yesterday. We'll see if we make it into those low 90s, but really over in Northern California and the Silver State, quiet this afternoon. We do have some pretty healthy thunderstorms rolling out across the plains right now, but we will keep it dry today, tomorrow. Perhaps up towards Winnemucca and areas to the north, an isolated shower thunderstorm chance as we go into the day on Thursday. 87 degrees currently. Winds are coming out of the east-southeast at 8 miles an hour. No major wind gusts, so that's a difference from yesterday afternoon where we were seeing winds gusting anywhere from 30 to 40 miles an hour. Still dry at the surface. Relative humidity is at just 10%. 72 inclined, 88 Carson City, 86 right now in the Fernley area, and you've got a little bit of a westerly breeze. It may pick up a tick here in the next couple of hours, but it will be lighter than we saw yesterday afternoon. Here's our snapshot 7 p.m. into this evening. Winds gusting in that range of 10 to 15 miles an hour. So compared to yesterday, pretty light here across the area. Now watch tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. We're going to see another round of possible severe thunderstorms along this frontal boundary, pushing into Kentucky and western Tennessee tomorrow afternoon. We're under the influence of this ridge of high pressure, so it is quiet coming up on Wednesday. And again, as we go into Thursday afternoon, you see that up into Oregon and Idaho. Yeah, maybe an isolated shower, possible, small chance over Lander in Eureka County. But overall, here's what we're watching with our pattern. We're under the ridge right now, so sunny skies, hot temperatures on Wednesday. Tomorrow's going to be the hottest day, mid and upper 90s possible. Still very warm, but the ridge has pushed to the east a little bit. We'll see breezy conditions Thursday afternoon, windy on Friday. Again, 2 days in a row that the models have been consistent in bringing this area of low pressure and this upper level trough across the area. Again, if this holds as we go into the weekend, we're going to see some cooler conditions. Critical fire weather possible Thursday afternoon. Again on Friday, southwesterlies 20 to 25, gusting at times up to 40 miles an hour. So as we go into the weekend, that low will dip across the west coast. How far it dives down to the south will determine how cool we get. But right now, we're talking about temperatures dropping probably into the low and mid 70s Saturday with a gradual warming trend Sunday and Monday. Tomorrow, though, we'll concentrate on the hot temperatures. We're at 110 in Las Vegas, 98 in Hawthorne tomorrow afternoon, a little more mild, Austin and Ely at 89 tomorrow, 98 Fallon, 94 Winnemucca, about 96 in Dayton tomorrow. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s, low to mid 80s around the lake, 93 instead, 95 Fernley and 95 in Yerington tomorrow. Neighborhood temperatures again, you go west into the foothills, a couple of degrees cooler, 96 South Meadows, 95 Sun Valley, and about 91 degrees in Cold Springs. But look at this. We'll go from 97 to 93, breezy to windy Friday afternoon, windy on Friday. Those temperatures drop into the 80s, low 70s on Saturday, and then we'll bounce back into the low and mid 80s coming up Monday and Tuesday. But anytime you see that big a switch from the upper 90s to the low 70s, you've got a changing air mass, and that means those winds are going to drive across the area as we go into Thursday and Friday.
Be extra careful when it comes to fire danger.
No doubt about it.
All right, thank you.